What's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com with a blowout sale on some Audi Dynamics. But first, my name is Jonathan Price, owner and operator of downforsoundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. All right, so let's get into this Audi Dynamics. More of a sound quality company, not so much our niche here at Down for Sound. We've had a decent amount of their stock for a while, and this stuff, most of it is discontinued, so we're gonna offer an insane deal on it, 50% off of these items. We have a few of them here, but you can check the website to see all the products that we have on this 50% off sale on the remaining inventory in stock. Again, these are discontinued items, so we're able to do this massive sale just to free them up. But we also have on the website the newer models that you can grab if you would like to check that out. Again, more so a sound quality company. They have awesome products if you're looking for more SQ based setup. But this is one of their lower profile 8-inch subwoofers. Normally they're 110 bucks. This is 300 watts RMS. This is their 1108 series. It comes with a dual 4. It's got these cooling vents out the back. This is normally 110 bucks. We're gonna be doing these for $59 while the supplies last on these, so be sure to check those out. Coming up next, we have some ADCX 622 coaxials. Again, these are nice low profile speakers, 6.5s. So be sure to check these out. Again, these are going to be 50% off as well. Going to sound great doing it as well. If you're looking for a low profile speaker, a lot of door panels that have 6.5s in there don't have a lot of depth back there. You could be hitting the window when it's rolling down or something like that. If your speaker's too deep, they should fit in any factory location for 6.5. We have a ADT W2012, more of your standard style small 1-inch silk dome tweeter. If you're looking for a simple, beautiful tweeter, it's going to give you a nice, smooth, not too harsh sound. Be sure to check these out on the site. They're going to be 50% off remaining stock as well. We have a lot of tweeters. Check this one out. This is a 3-inch mid. Beautiful. If you're looking, again, the sound quality in these is hard to match. This is an AD MD234. So 1,000 to 6,500 for your frequency response. So these are normally $300 a set. Again, we have these marked at $149.99 on the website. This is while supplies last. We'll do a quick little pan. I'll run over there in just a little bit to finish up this video, but we just have a little bit of this left. So once it's gone, it's gone. If you want to take advantage and grab a great discount on this awesome product, sound quality product, you can do so at downforsoundshop.com and click on the link in the description below. So be sure to check it out over there. Actually, let's go check this out real quick. All right, so here's the products that we have left. Some of these aren't going to be on sale because they're newer, but most of the ones that we have up here, be sure to check them out because they're going to be up to 50% off. This 700.1, it's 1500.6. Again, here's some of the 8-inch subwoofers we have. We've got some 10-inch subwoofers and some 12-inch subwoofers as well. It looks like we have a couple of 15s, but again, not too much. But if you want to take advantage of what we do have left here for some great sound quality equipment and save 50% off of it, be sure to check it out in the description below by clicking the link. So we'll see you in the next video. Later. Yo, what's up, guys? If you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.